Get ready to install your Newport shower door, a modern and sleek centerpiece to match any taste. Before getting started, make sure you have all the necessary parts and tools for a successful installation. Step 1 is to measure the base opening along the center of the curb and trim the sill to 1/16 inch less than the measurement. Then, slide the vinyl seal into the receiver and trim it 1 1/8 inch shorter than the base opening. The next step is to position the sill and wall jambs. With the high lip toward the exterior of the enclosure, position the sill along the center of the shower curb. Temporarily tape it down to prevent movement. Place the wall jambs upright against the shower walls and push them down so they securely straddle the sill. Plumb the wall jambs and mark the installation hole locations on the wall. Use a 3/16 inch ceramic drill bit to drill holes at each mark. Insert screw anchors into the holes. Reposition the wall jambs and secure with 1 1/2 inch installation screws. Install the jamb bumpers with washers at the center installation hole on each side. Secure the jamb guide at the bottom installation hole on the shower head side with a 2-inch flat head screw. Once the jambs are installed on each wall, measure the opening above the jambs and trim the header to 1/16 inch less. Set the header on the top of the wall jambs. Install the outside panel and then the inside panel into the roller tracks of the header. Make sure the panels hang vertical and parallel. The rollers can be adjusted up or down to make the panels level. Next, position both shower panels against the same wall jamb. Center the track guide on the sill under the inside panel and secure it in place with self-drilling screws. Close the door panels with the inside panel against the shower head wall. Now it's time to install the towel bars. Slide a sleeve onto each towel bar bracket. Open the door panels to install the inner brackets first. Then, close the door panels and install the outer brackets and towel bars with a finger pull on the other side. Last but not least, you'll need to seal the exterior of the enclosure to avoid water leaking into your bathroom. Choose a mildew-resistant caulk and run a bead down the outside of each wall jamb, along the sill at the base and where the wall jambs straddle the sill. Your Newport shower door is now ready for use.